Nostrdam is powered by Alby, Yakihona, and NextBlock.
Sorry for being here again. This is not a paid promotion, a bit only. I'm Tomek. I work at Alby. I do mostly marketing there, and I just will show you because most of you, when people think of hey, what is Alby? They think of this little b, the browser extension, and this is Alby. And I also thought that way when I joined Alby a year ago. I guess we are doing browser extension, and that's what actually how Alby started at the hackathon in Istanbul. Some developers like you built a browser extension so people could use their LND nodes inside their browsers. So LND nodes would be more usable, and of course you could have some finally Lightning, not finally because there were before projects like Joule, but a nice interaction of Lightning on the web. And then with time, also Alby extension got some more features, like connecting to almost any type of node, like the second major feature, and that's why I guess this is also here, is being a Nostr signer. So whenever you have your browser, Alby browser extension, right? You can keep lots of wallets, Lightning wallets in it, and also each of these wallets can store your Nostr private keys. So you could use this securely, Nostr, kind of, because it's open source. We don't know, we cannot never recover your keys. It's stored in your browser, and the events are assigned locally, encrypted, and only then sent through clients. So you don't have to paste your NSEC to Damus. But then over time, of course, people started liking Alby, but they don't have LND nodes. So Alby team decided that next to Alby browser extension, which was this first product, right? That's how it looks. It's on GitHub, it's open source. They opened Alby accounts. An Alby account was, because we are not anymore opening it, custodial Lightning wallet from Alby. That people could sign up with their emails and they have Lightning wallet. And many people were using it, still are using it, but we are slowly sunsetting the product. And as you can know, it's not the only custodial product that is sunsetting. So you guys should learn to run your own node. But hey, there is another product from Alby. So what is Alby? It's the browser extension of our Alby account. I also was kind of curious. And Alby is a team of 8-9 people, 5 developers. They are sometimes bored and want to code more, so they entered Podcasting 2.0, built a library to automatically support developers of dependencies used in your code. They wrote a Go wrapper, LND Hub, Bitcoin Lightning Publisher, plugin to WordPress, lots of widgets that you could use on your website, Nostr Wallet Connect, an open protocol that is now being used in multiple Nostr clients. That is a kind of a new LND Hub that is simpler, more customized, a way to programmatically use your sats from your Lightning node. It's also authored by Alby. Libraries for developers to use in their web apps Lightning without necessarily knowing too much Lightning. Saturn is a Boostagram explorer. Bitcoin Connect is this web interface, a modal to connect your wallet to websites. Zaplanner is this recurring payments mechanism. We have also JavaScript library to do certain Lightning most popular operations. Alby Hub is our new recent self-custodial open source Lightning node. I was like, what the fuck, right? So many. We had browser extension, we had account, and now there's so many things. So this is what is Alby. We are also realizing all of this stuff is open source. Alby recently also, maybe we could add it in a quiz, kind of pivoted that we only now make money through subscribers to our cloud solution. So the Alby Hub, this open source node, you can run it on your computer and it runs on almost any device. Or if you are, I don't know, digital nomad, or you don't want to worry about hardware, you can pay DigitalOcean, or if you want, but you can pay Alby team. It's currently 20,000 sats a month to run your own node for you. And Alby Hub, even if it runs on our infrastructure, you are the only owner of the keys to this node because it's encrypted by your password, and well, the code is open source as well. So maybe I will do a little demo of Alby Hub and Alby. Oh, okay, there is even more because you can see the animation. Alby Go is also a mobile wallet that after I made this meme, we released like 2 weeks ago to public on apps on Apple App Stores and on Google Play Stores. Is the first such wallet that is a wallet interface to Nostr Wallet Connect nodes. Like if you were using Blue Wallet with Lightning before and you used your LND nodes with Blue, Alby Go is such a thing for Nostr Wallet Connect wallets. And Nostr Wallet Connect is currently supported by, on the wallet side, by Alby Hub, Umbrel, Start9, well, still Mutiny, LeafPay recently introduced it, and Koinos. So even custodial providers, they start running this Nostr Wallet Connect relay. And my little demo will be maybe I will show you shortly Alby Hub, and I will connect Alby Mobile, Alby Go up to it, so you can see that I can easily use my node from my phone. And Alby Hub looks like this. This is run in the cloud. It has purple vibe because I set in settings Nostr theme, and it's a heart of this node. I can see what is my 2 channels, what they are, what's in my Alby custodial legacy account, what's in my on-chain wallet, because as you may know, if channels are closed, these sats are returning to your on-chain wallet. Of course, if it's a Lightning node, it's an on-chain wallet that you can recover on another wallet and use it as your on-chain, but it's not recommended, right? To use on-chain wallet and your Lightning at the same. It's just better to separate them. It's very easy to open channels. We have integrated LSPs. You choose your channel size, and you can peer either with some of LSPs in the business, or you can peer with anyone in the Lightning Network. Just open channel with him. Then this thing is running on Nostr Wallet Connect. So why it's on Nostrdam, because Nostr Wallet Connect is using Nostr messages and Nostr authentication to give programs, some apps, or other people access to sats from your node, or to perform certain operations specifically on your node. And you can set them some customizations, some security constraints. So whenever I want to connect an app, and these apps, there is various of apps. Most of Nostr clients on desktop support it, many on Android. In Damus also you can do a hack, and you can natively zap within Damus. So from your node, you use sats directly within the app, while the app also doesn't have these permissions, and you don't have to open a separate wallet. You basically let other software to use your node. So if I want to create a connection, I add connection, I name it test 45, and I can choose what permissions I give to this app. Whether maybe I just wanted to read my balance, or maybe I don't want to read balance, but I want only to give a point of sale tool to some waiter in a bar, and I want him only to create invoices. Or maybe I want to send payments. So there is various of customizations that you can give to app or to person to use your node. You can set budgets, and also how often budgets could expire, and when the whole connection might expire. So it's much more customizable than LND Hub, and also it's quite secure, because you can later edit those connections. You can delete them. You can create multiple to one node. But the one that I could show is that recently was introduced to Alby Hub is isolated connection of Nostr Wallet Connect, which effectively lets users create sub-accounts on their node. Because of course, I mean, not of course, but it's we can understand that paying for a node $7 a month is maybe a bit expensive for people, and they don't even use that many Lightning sats, right? So this feature allows effectively all of you, we are not custodians anymore as Alby, but we allow our users to become mini custodian to their friends, to their community. Eventually, I guess also, if we imagine some Bitcoin over Lightning being some payment rails to the internet to transfer value, your Tesla, your Spotify, your wife, your daughter might also need some certain wallet or permission to use your wallet, because probably they will not run their own nodes. So this has to be already figured, and Nostr Wallet Connect is a protocol that is still in early development, but already quite mature and used by many apps. And so when I create isolated connection, it basically gives me a QR code. Reveal QR. That I can scan with Alby. Where is my phone? I had my phone here. Somebody will connect and steal my sats now. Here it is. No, he will not because it's isolated connection. So this connection would use my node, would use liquidity of my node and my channels, but it couldn't touch my balance and I couldn't touch him unless I rag pull him. So Albigo is a quite simple software. There is just send receive, and I can add. It supports multiple wallets. So all I do is connect a wallet. It looks how fast it usually is. Bow, bow, connected. I have my wallet. So you can onboard your friends super easily. You can just give them this app and hey, scan this code, and you can use my node for the time being. I can rug pull you, right? And I do it sometimes with people. It's probably now the easiest way to onboard people to Lightning. Just give them its isolated connection, and I can see on which connection, what balance do I have. It's still not yet full-featured sub-account management mechanism, etc. But it's already good start. And Alby Hub is also just on a version 1.10. So it's open source. I recommend you guys running it. I'm happy to later answer any questions. If you never run your Lightning node, it's probably the easiest to use Lightning node today. And Albigo is probably the easiest to use mobile Lightning wallet in official app stores. So thank you for that. Cheers and have fun this evening. Any questions, maybe? Sorry. Yeah, you have other mics, no?
Was it like built on top of Alby or the other?
So you can actually choose the funding source for your Alby Hub, and it supports 6 different backends.
Okay.
LND is probably the most recommended, as it's the most researched. And if you have LND maybe on your Umbrella or Start9 already, you can install Alby Hub on top of it, and you still use your channel states, and it will be just interfaced to your node.
Yeah, very cool.
Yes. No more questions? I explained everything perfectly. Good evening.
Nostrdam is an initiative promoting the Nostr protocol by organizing one-day conferences alongside Bitcoin events, running booths, creating online content, and hosting meetups. Our goal is to connect developers and users to drive Nostr adoption.